So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can search anything, search any text on a web page. It will definitely help you if you are reading some of the PDFs on Google Web, or any searching any research paper on Google, and if you want to find some particular keywords or some particular words, you can do this via this method. So all you have to do, for example, I am doing this process in Google Chrome. Just simply open any web page. For example, I have opened this web page. You can open anything, any page, any opening page or anything. And if for example, I opened this article of on global warming, and if I want to, you can see it's a very big article, and if I want to find some particular words which are of my need, I can do that by just simply clicking Control plus F on my keyboard. You can see when I type this, a find window will open right there. You can see if I write, for example, I have to search transforming. When I write there transforming, you can see at the sidebar which says where are your text. You can see if I scroll to till this mark, you can see the word is highlighted, transforming. You can search any of the word you want in the web page, or if you have opened any PDF file through Google as well, so you can find anything. If I search the, you can see multiple words has been there, so I can search them as well. These all are highlighted, so it would be very easy for me to search them. So by this method you can search any of the text on web. I hope this video will be helpful and interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.